Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool glow on Capcut PC. So go to the filter section and type in amber here, and you're just going to place that filter on top at 100%. Go to adjustments, add in a custom adjustment here. Go to basic and scroll down, and you're going to sharpen it to around 50%. And I want to add in a vignette here for around 10. Once you're done, you're going to go to the curve section and you're going to scroll down to the blue. Move this here a little bit. And you're going to drag this down almost here. And you're going to add another circle, like right about here. Then go to the effects section and add in an edge glow on top. That's a duration, and you can adjust how much glow you want on your video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!